Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a technique called separation of variables, which is really useful to find the general solution of a differential equation in the form where dy over dx is a function of y, something like you see here in this question. Now notice that all the terms are in y and not x, thus we are not able to directly integrate both sides with respect to x. But what we can do, however, is to rearrange the differential equation to first put dy dx on the left-hand side of the equation and all the function of y on the right-hand side. Next, bring all the function of y to the left-hand side again, leaving a 1 on the right-hand side. Immediately, let's integrate both sides with respect to x. Remember, integrating dy over dx with respect to x is equivalent to integrating this expression with respect to y. Now we have effectively separated the variables of the differential equation, and we have actually put the terms containing y, including dy, on only one side of the equation. Therefore, we are calling this method a separation of variables. Now to continue, let's introduce a 4 over here so that it's a derivative of the function in the denominator. Now to make the fraction equivalent, we'll multiply 1/4 on the outside of the integral. Now on the right hand side, integrating 1 with respect to x gives us x. And don't forget to include the plus c because this is an indefinite integral. Now the reason why we are manipulating the numerator over here is so that we will give us 1/4 ln 2y squared plus 1, as it takes the format over here. And this is equals to x plus c. So this is the general solution of the differential equation. Now just a bonus tip for you, if the question wants us to express y in terms of x, these additional steps are required. Now let's try to make y the subject now. So we multiply 4 on both sides so that we can convert the expression into an index form, something like you see over here. Now y squared is thus equals to e to the power of 4x plus 4c minus 1 over 2. Now we can then rewrite this expression into y squared equals to e to the power 4x multiplied by e to the power 4c minus 1 over 2. Now the reason is that e to the power 4c is simply a constant, and we can then rewrite it into a multiplied by e to the power 4x minus 1 over 2, where a is simply equals to e power 4c. This makes our working much more elegant and neat. Now finally, y is equals to plus minus square root this entire expression, and a is an arbitrary constant. Now I do hope you have learned something from this video. If you have any questions or comments, do leave them down in the comments box below, and thank you so much for watching.